Hey everyone, it's David. Ever wondered how to get into those exclusive VIP parties? You know, the ones with velvet ropes, paparazzi, and endless champagne? Well, you're in luck. Today we're spilling the secrets on how you can rub shoulders with the elite. Getting that coveted invite is easier said than done, but trust me, with a little bit of know-how and a whole lot of confidence, you'll be partying with the stars in no time. Okay, so let's be real. Getting into VIP parties is all about who you know, not just what you wear. It's like building your social currency, honey. You got to get out there and mingle, make friends, and connect with people. Go to industry events, openings, you name it. You never know who you might meet. Remember that cute bartender at your friend's birthday party last week? Turns out he's a mixologist for some pretty high-profile events. And that girl you chatted with at the gym, her dad is a big-time music producer. See, connections are everywhere. And listen, I'm not saying you have to be best friends with everyone. Just be genuine, be interested in what they have to say, and most importantly, be memorable. A little kindness goes a long way, dolls. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, fashion, darling. When it comes to VIP parties, you've got to dress the part. Think chic, stylish, and put together. No ripped jeans or stained t-shirts here, okay? We're talking cocktail dresses, tailored suits, and statement pieces that scream, I belong here. And don't forget about the details. Shoes, bags, jewelry, they all matter. A killer pair of heels or a statement watch can elevate your entire look. Trust me, I know a thing or two about accessories, but remember, it's not just about wearing expensive brands. It's about finding your own personal style that exudes confidence and sophistication. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows and people notice. Chapter 3. Okay, so you've been networking, your wardrobe is on point. Now it's time to amp up your social media game. In this day and age, your online presence is everything. It's like your digital business card. Make sure your profiles are public and showcase your personality and interests. Post about things you're passionate about, whether it's fashion, food, travel, or anything in between. High-quality photos and engaging captions are key. Think of your Instagram feed as a curated gallery that highlights your best self. And don't be afraid to show off your sense of humor. People want to see that you're relatable and fun. Remember, social media is all about connecting with others. Engage with people, leave thoughtful comments, and build relationships with those in the know. You never know who might be scrolling through your feed. Chapter 4. So you've got the connections, the outfit, the social media presence, but none of it matters if you don't have the confidence to back it up. Confidence is key, dolls. Walk into that party like you own the place. Hold your head high, make eye contact, and don't be afraid to strike up conversations. Remember, everyone in that room is just as nervous as you are. Be authentic, be engaging, and most importantly, be yourself. People are drawn to genuine personalities, so let your true self shine through. Oh, and one more thing, a genuine smile can work wonders. It's the ultimate icebreaker and makes you instantly more approachable. Chapter 5. Okay, last but not least, you've got to be at the right place at the right time. Keep your ear to the ground and stay in the loop about upcoming events. Check out local blogs, social media pages, and event calendars for exclusive parties and gatherings. If you hear about a party that everyone's buzzing about, do your research and see if you can swing an invite. Sometimes it's as simple as reaching out to the host or someone you know who's attending. And remember, spontaneity is key. Don't be afraid to say yes to last-minute invitations. You never know what amazing experiences await you. And there you have it. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to attending those exclusive VIP parties in no time. Remember, it's all about networking, dressing the part, building your social media presence, exuding confidence, and being at the right place at the right time. But most importantly, have fun and enjoy the experience. Meeting new people, experiencing new things, that's what it's all about. Now go out there and shine, dolls. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insider secrets.